Against the joint record 20 times champions of England. Liverpool return to Yokohama for the first time in 20 years for this first meeting with Japanese opposition up front since his move from Eintracht Frankfurt. Georgi Mamadashvili starts in goal with Alisson having left the tour.
أسعد الله أوقاتكم أحبة قائمة الفريق ومغادرة عدة أسماء عن الريدز هنا الرحلة الآسيوية في محطاتها الأخيرة للليفر.
Of course it's a time.
It's a lovely ball. And it's helped away well by Costa Tsimikas.
Yeah, it's a good little spell from them here.
And it's a shot that's always fading away from the goal. And just a bit too much for Mohamed Salah, who was waiting at the far post.
Well, if anything, that's...
It's a lovely little step, and he goes on. And the deflection on the shot takes it just wide of the target.
Well,
but for that touch, that's probably 1-0.
Well, Ali McCann does
It does get back to make the challenge to deny Federico Chiesa, and he tries again. He just couldn't quite wrap his foot round the ball enough.
Well, it's just a long straight ball that gets caught underneath it. There's the centre back, and then Chiesa, he just doesn't have that blistering pace maybe just to get away from him. And then
get a chance. Trainioni on to Tsimikas. Dominic Szoboszlai was waiting. Just couldn't quite get there. He's defended really well.
It was Andrew Hughes in the end.
It's a Wirtz shot, dancing his way forward. And Chiesa, it was very unselfish, and Liverpool have scored. It's Conor Bradley, who was waiting at the far post. The ball came to him, and he makes no mistake. And Liverpool are back at it. And Liverpool are winning.
Well, a couple of opportunities they had. It's Conor Bradley that eventually puts it in the back of the net. Szoboszlai could have done so. Chiesa could have done so.
Against the 16-year-old, they're probably quite grateful, and they're sort of quite, not cocky, but maybe quite happy about it, but anything but today. That's going to come all the way through, and it is towards Usmajic. The ball just didn't seem to reach him with any real pace on it.
Oh, it's a funny one because it just seems to die the ball. I think it's the touch.
Something to deal with here as Preston look for the long throw. It's towards Usmajic. There's the flick, which is just over the top. It came very, very fast and was hard to control for Hughes.
Well, it's a good opportunity. If anything, it's maybe...
Well, that's a little short. Darwin Nunez on the chase. Goalkeeper is beaten, and Darwin Nunez scores. Well, it was a gift for him. New look. And a celebration for the ages.
Well, it's a bit of a gift from Preston's point of view, but you've got to be there to take advantage of it. And certainly Darwin
by Usmajic, away from Andrew Robertson. And he tried to go all the way on his own, and Robertson recovered well.
Well, Andrew Robertson maybe just did about enough to put like the big striker off. Could he score?
Well, here come Liverpool. Frimpong, and then the follow-up shot. A haircut, even though we've seen it plenty over the last few weeks. That's going to be a foul on Cody Gakpo. Todasen. And it's goalkeeper's ball, good claim. That's nice, this is Cody Gakpo. And maybe just reaching for it a little in the end.
Well, had the layoff been a little bit better and a little bit set up better, then he could have hit it maybe first time. He gets it caught a little bit underneath his feet just to take a touch.
Many a fan. Gakpo. Well, he's just getting his range for when the season starts.
Well, it's a sighter. I mean, he'll do it, what, probably.
Kirkes. Lovely twist, lovely turn. He probably was fouled. And eventually he does get it. The decision from Darren England.
A couple of.
Here's Ben Doak. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, Liverpool fans wanted a penalty. Ben Doak wanted a penalty. The referee wasn't interested.
Well, it's right in front of the Liverpool fans, and they're adamant that it was a penalty.
Jedison's at the other end. That's a really good save by Woodman. Really, really good save.
Yeah, he gets down really well, doesn't he? He gets a big hand to it as well. Important save.
That's bullet header. And Preston have themselves a goal. Scored by Liam Lindsay. And there was just no saving that. Super header.
Well, delivery's good, timing of the run is good. Doesn't really need to jump, because Lindsay just meets it square on. From that sort of distance, wow, it's a powerful header.
Endo Jones caught though. That's a really good win. They were looking for the little ball to Felipe. And the defenders just did enough to stop O'Coll's getting the ball across. And now another opportunity from this corner. And the header this time just flashes wide. And Liverpool relieved. There's Caden Kamara. They know that life must continue. Darwin Nunez with a dummy. Cody Gakpo with a goal. And there's no better tribute than wrapping the game up late on like that to make it 3-1, because that's what Diogo was so good at doing.
Well, that was his trademark, wasn't it? The amount of goals he scored in big games.
Hello and welcome back. In today's video we will talk about the Liverpool as they've signed the best player in my side, that is Liverpool Wirtz, the German star, who is in a good form and has good performance last match. And besides this, they have signed Etikite, which has scored in the last match against the Japanese team, and we all know they are gonna play against a Spanish club, Atletico Bilbao, on 4th of August. So we know that Liverpool they have the best season. They are on the top of the tables in Champions League, in FA Cup, and in the Premier League. But what we hope for them, current